Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, which is at the very top of the list, and here we've got some options which we can customize or actually cannot, because as you can see they are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, and by swiping change day, month and a year, and confirm it by tapping on OK. The same with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Here select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you can choose it from the list. So just find it and it will be immediately applied. Here the dual clock, so we can decide whether we would like to display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second from the second clock of your choice. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just tap on this switcher here. And at the top, the time format, and this is the only format we can change. We cannot change, for example, the date format. So you can either use 24-hour format or 12-hour format just by turning off this option. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.